Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up redirect from HTTP to HTTPS on Bluehost. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy to premium or subscription of this Bluehost, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after creating your account, log in just and log into your Bluehost account manager and click on the hosting tab from the navigation tab to the left, and next is click the file manager button under the quick links section to launch the cpanel file manager in the new tab. Just tap on it and look for the setting buttons and towards the upper right corner of your screen. Just tap on it, and after next, so then proceeds to the steps below explaining how to edit the file to add protection. So number one, right click on the htaccess file and select the edit option. Then second, a pop-up message will appear, then click the edit button. Third, at the top of the file, insert the following code. So you will see here, you will just enter your domain name and note, make sure to replace your domain name, and again remember to changes when finished. So this is how you can HTTP to HTTPS server. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.